Hi everybody, this is Megan from The Homes I Have Made. I just got my brand new Cricut Maker 3. Today I'm going to unbox it for you and show you how easy it is to get it set up, running, and making your very first project. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open my box for the first time. Alright, in the top of the box we have a Cricut envelope, a cardboard insert. Open this and see what's in here. So this is just a few smart materials, a small piece of Cricut vinyl, some warranty information, and then instructions on how to activate your machine. We'll do that in just a minute. You'll see the machine is wrapped in plastic. Let's see quickly what else is in the box here. We've got a power cable, a USB cord, another collection of smart materials, and that's it. So before we unbox the machine completely, let's look at what else came in the box. This is going to be a collection of 4 pieces of material for you to use right away in your Cricut machine. A piece of smart Cricut vinyl, some transfer tape to use with it, a sheet of Cricut iron-on, pretty holographic iron-on, and a sheet of smart paper sticker cardstock. On the back of each sheet, it tells you exactly what it is, so you know to use it for which project. The power cable will say Cricut Maker 3 on it, which is really handy. So your machine is wireless and will run wirelessly, but you are going to need the machine cable to set up your machine properly. And then finally, the brand new Cricut Maker 3. Let's go ahead and pull the paper off here. If you open up the machine, you'll notice there's some foam underneath your blade and your pen tool. You can slide this out. Just to give you a quick guide of the features of the new machine, you'll notice that it says Cricut Maker 3 here on the front carriage. The adaptive tool system has side A for your pens, then it has side B, which holds your fine point blade as it comes, but then can also be swapped out for any of the Maker tools. There is a bottom compartment that can hold your extra blades, extra tools. There is a cup on the side to hold additional blades or pens. This tray here is used to hold your device, whether it's your iPad or your phone. And there is also a charger along the side here that you would be able to connect up USB-wise to charge your device while you're creating your projects. The operating buttons are here, the power button, the load, unload, the go, and the pause button. So those are the basic features of the machine. Everything's out of the box. Let's get it up and running. Okay, I'm here at my computer and I'm all ready to set up my new Cricut Maker 3. I haven't plugged anything in yet. Design Space is going to tell me exactly what to do and when. Let's get started.
In your preferred internet browser, type in cricut.com/setup. You'll be prompted to either download Cricut Design Space if you haven't yet, or open it if you already have it installed on your computer. A window will pop open asking you what you want to do. You will want to select Set up a smart cutting machine. If you already have a Cricut Design Space account, you can access this exact same window by clicking New Product Setup. Either way, start by selecting Smart Cutting Machine. Then you will need to select the machine you're trying to set up. I'm going to click Cricut Maker 3. Cricut Design Space is going to walk you through everything you need to do. Step 1 is to make sure your machine is far enough away from the wall, and step 2 is to find an outlet and plug it in. Step 3 is to use the included USB to plug in your machine to the computer. Once it's connected, it will run an automatic update if there are any firmware or software updates that need to run. Once it's done updating, click Next. It'll ask if you want to connect it to your Cricut Design Space account. You do, so go ahead and click I agree and continue. Next, you're going to do a sample project. You can pick one of these 6 designs to make. Go ahead and select the sticker you want and then follow the directions on the screen.
So here is the small piece of smart vinyl that it's asking me to load into the machine. I don't need to cut it, I don't need to put it on a mat. I'm literally just going to slide it under the feed guides here. And because my arrow is flashing, it means I can go ahead and load it. I'm going to click the load button, and the vinyl is going to scoot right into the machine. When you see the flashing go button, you go ahead and click go. Go ahead and click the flashing unload button to pull the vinyl out of my machine.
Back in Cricut Design Space, it tells you that you're done setting up your machine. You can go ahead and start using Cricut Design Space to create any project you want on your new Cricut Maker 3.